I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have a little wire reel here and I'll show you how I made it. This is a wire reel holder. It's just a simple thing that my dad knocked up, I don't know, 50 years ago. And I made a copy of what he did. Doesn't take much. As you can see, it's just a piece of wood, another piece of wood screwed on the ends, and a hole drilled through it. C-clamp to keep it in place. This is a piece of 1/2 inch EMT that fits through the hole I drilled in the side. Then the pipe slips through. Now there's just a little drag on there. And why do I want drag? So the spool doesn't run away from me. When you unhook the wire and start pulling off on it, this thing will uncoil and uncoil the whole thing right on the floor. Slide on this roll of green THHN, and I'm making sure I got the wire uncoiling in the same direction. That way when I pull on it, I don't have the two of them fighting against each other, which can add some helpful friction at times, but most of the time it's just a pain in the neck. And tomorrow morning I'm going to have to go to the store and get myself another coil of number 12 white. Now, I feed all those reels through there. Now, when I get ready to pull the wire, all I have to do is put the fish tape through the conduit, then connect the wires, and pull the whole thing back through the conduit. This little device makes it a lot easier to pull. We used to, back before Dad made his first one, we just uncoil it on the floor and pull it tight, throw a few wraps of tape around the wire, then I'd stand at one end and feed the wire through to make sure it didn't tangle up, and Dad would pull it. This is going to make it a lot easier to pull the wire. I'm going to be able to clamp this on top of the step ladder, attach the wires to the fish tape, and then come over here to the wall and pull the fish tape down. Then go up there to any junction box that I need a little extra bit of wire. Just pull that wire out, throw a twist in it and lock it in place. And then when I get all done, I clip off the wire off the reels and the job's done. I'll be able to do it with one person that way. Now, is it going to be absolutely perfect? Nope. I'm not as good as I used to be. Takes me time to get up and down the ladder, takes me time to walk around, takes me time to get things fed through. But that's okay. A little time spent is fine. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.